This episode was recorded in front of a live studio audience.
Thank you, everybody. This episode, we have chicken bacon ranch grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's come on over here. I'm going to show you how we get it done. Alright, everybody. As you can see here, we have some boneless, skinless chicken breast. We have it thawed out. We have it rinsed, ready to go. For seasonings, we have some SPG as usual. We have some garlic jalapeno for a little bit of kick. We have some Kickin' Chicken seasoning by Weber, and also got a little bit of ranch dry seasoning packets we're going to throw on there. It's good seasoning. Before we get going too much though, I tell you what, I want to thank my unpaid corporate sponsor, Bullet Bourbon. Damn good stuff. And as always, Daddy needs his natty. So here we go. I'm going to show you how we get this seasoned up right now. Alright. Get the top over there. It makes you more fancy if you have the grinder, just so you know. Makes you look like you know what you're doing. So you just want to do a little bit on each, cover it. Nothing crazy. I tell you what, everybody. Great fucking sandwiches. Great sandwiches. When I get all this put together, it's going to be perfect. And with that, we got the S, the G. Now we need the P. And here in just a minute, we're going to get the grill going. We want that thing piping hot. So I'll get this all done up. And then we'll get the grill going for a while. And I'll show you what else we're going to do to pull the sandwich all together. Stay tuned. Alright, everybody. We have these seasoned up. Now we're going to throw them on the grill. Follow me outside. Alright, everybody. Thank you for staying tuned. We're going to get these chicken breasts put on a piping hot grill. I mean, you could not probably get any hotter. We were probably looking at the range somewhere in the 850 to maybe 1,000 degrees even. When you hit that, instant sear on them fuckers. You hear that sizzle, right? That's the way to go. That's what I like to see. Alright, everybody. Alright, this chicken's probably going to cook just a couple minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes aside. It's boneless, skinless chicken breast, so it's very lean. It's going to cook up very, very quickly. But we're going to make sure it gets good marks on each side. And then, if you follow me back inside, we're going to get everything wrapped up. Good to go. Follow me. Alright, now, this is going to be the clean tray for the chicken because for you smart folks at home, you can't be putting clean chicken on where the raw chicken was. That's just salmonella, and that shit ain't no good for anybody. So, let me wash up my hands real quick, and then we'll continue with the show. Alright, everybody, we have the chicken on the grill ready to go. We're going to dice up this onion here. We're going to saute it on low heat with some olive oil, some butter, some salt and pepper. We're going to get that going right now. But as I always say, you got to stay hydrated. Have a little dabble, do you? Ah, shit. Bartender. Well, thank you, kind sir. That just looks beautiful, doesn't it, folks? Beautiful amber color. Okay, now back to business. Perfect. We're gonna cut this cocksucker up here. I'm going to cut off the ends. No big deal, but just how you cut up an onion, everybody. We're going to cut this into fairly small pieces. Like I said, we're going to saute it on low heat. We're going to cook it for quite a while. Damn near liquefy it. Damn near. Get all the skin and the excess nonsense out of the way. And here we go. Okay. Now we're going to dice this up. Get it filled in the skillet. Voila, she is done. Like I said, we're going to get the onions done up right. We got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, give or take, something of that nature. Then we're going to add half stick of salted butter. Got that sizzle going already. We're going to turn that heat down even just a little bit lower. I said we want these things to cook in this bath for probably 20 minutes, damn near liquefy. So let's keep that going here. All right, everybody, we're going to add the onion. Unlike my other videos, you want a little bit of a sizzle, but you do not want these things to fry up necessarily, or I guess cook all the way through, I guess, so to speak. I'm not exactly sure what terminology, but you know what I mean. You want these things, like I said, saute, liquefy, just a nice gentle cook. That's all. Damn near steaming them. That's about it. Now we got this kind of done up. We're going to add some grinded sea salt to the proceedings here. A punch will do you. That'll be that. Have a drink of your classy natty. And we're just going to let these sweat cook down. Easy peasy, folks. We're adding me a little bit of bourbon as well. Alright, everybody. We have the chicken on the grill. Then we have these onions cooking down. They're damn near translucent, but they're not quite there. We're going to let them go for a few more minutes. Let's get a shot of that, would you? Right on. We can get this one more stir, and then I'm grab my whiskey, grab my tongs. We're going to check some chicken. Follow me. Oh my goodness, look at them marks on that. Everybody, that could damn near be perfect chicken breast. Just another couple of minutes, I imagine. Like I said, about 3-4 minutes aside. We will probably do somewhere in the neighborhood of probably another 3 minutes, as I said. And then we're good to go. We're going to start making sandwiches. Alright, everybody. As you can see, we have these nice and sauteed and cooked down. We're gonna let them cook down just a little bit more. But now, we're time to get the chicken off the grill. Follow me outside. As I said, we had these cooked for approximately 10 minutes. You still hear that sizzle? These chickens are gonna be cooked perfect. Look at that. Perfect marks. I tell you, I should be a chef in a high-end restaurant. Everybody, I grab my chicken, grab my billet bourbon. Back inside we go. Alright, everybody. Leave the onions browned, cooked down, translucent, all that good deliciousness. Sauteed in butter and olive oil, that's the stuff you need, everybody. We're going to get these put in a bowl. We're going to throw some bacon on to throw these sandwiches over the top. Be patient. Just give me one momento, por favor. That's Spanish for moment, please. Something of that nature. Alright. Throw these in the bowl here off to the side. Like I said, then we're going to throw in some bacon. Now, I tell you what, we're going to even use a little bit of that bacon fat, bacon grease. We're going to make that into the sandwiches. A little sneak peek for you. I probably shouldn't have gave that sneak peek, but let me tell you. If the brand new Fast and Furious can give you shit, can give you a spoiler. That fucking Han, he's alive. That shit ain't right to spoil that shit in the trailer. That's my opinion on it. But I believe so. So if they can do that, I can give you a little spoiler on this stuff. So, we're going to get these squared away here. Nope, here we go. Do a little bit of that. Alright. Now we're going to get some bacon flowing. Oh yeah, there we go. Now this bacon is pretty thin, so it's going to cook up pretty quick. Kind of common sense, isn't it? If you have something thick, which, you know, some of you might, some of you don't, it's going to cook up quick. You got something thin? Or not. You can cook up thick, quick, this, that, and the other. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm a little hammered. That bullet bourbon, I tell you what, that is good stuff. A little more potent than your average 80 proof. That's about 90 proof. But I tell you what, it is damn smooth. I hate to say it because I'm a huge fan of Jim Beam, but that shit's a lot smoother. So, we got the bacon cooking here. Once we get that done, we're gonna be able to cook probably 3, maybe 4 sandwiches at a time. I said, and all that will come together real quick. Stay tuned. I'm gonna wash my hands up with the touch raw pork, everybody. All right, everybody, we got a bacon flip. Look at that beautiful bacon, I tell you what. We're almost done with this. We gotta flip it just about that last time there. It'll be cooked through, and then we're gonna start making our sandwiches. So I tell you what, folks, stay tuned. This will be about the final cut of Drunken Food Puddin. All right, everybody, we have the chicken off the grill with the cheese on the bread. We're gonna put just a little dash of ranch on each. Might get out. Bada bing. Bada boom. Maybe bada boom. There we go. We have the chicken over here. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. Now we're gonna add some bacon. Okay, here. See, oh, that's some, oh hell, that's terrible. Alright, everybody. You know what? Hey, and I mean this terribly. As you're going through, you gotta stay hydrated, right? So, uno mas. Bartender. One more time, sir. Thank you. That's one hell of a bartender. As we make the sandwich go, just a dab of onions on each sandwich. They've been cooking down for hell damn near an hour, I imagine. To get it going, you want it going on high here. And we're going to fold the sandwiches up together. Exactly like that. And we're going to wait to see the finished product. With this cooking in the skillet, ready to flip them. That's about, look at that, that's perfect. Oh hell. We got that going. I fucked up that one a little bit, but that's okay. It turned out perfect. We can let this cook for another 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're done. All right, everybody, we have the sandwiches cooked up, ready to go, ready to plate. We got some in the oven. Here we go. Open the oven there. Get a couple to throw on top there. Yeah. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as they say. Good. Now, finish a beverage here. I don't want to say it. Bartender, a little more booze. You gotta love the camera crew, don't you? Gotta love it. Okay. You gotta put everything off. And now, ready to plate. Alright, we got a sandwich that's been in the oven. Cooking and finishing it up. We're ready to go. That crunch, that's what you want to hear. Alright. Now we have a good old-fashioned video of Drunken Food with Puddin. Here we go. Folks, that is fucking great. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right. Now that is a drunken food with pudding.
A few moments later.